Hey class, so today we are going to practice stretching our sentences. So having a simple sentence and really expanding on that sentence to make it a little more detailed and more exciting. So you are going to pick a few sentences from your scary story and expand on them. So there's a couple sample sentences that I want you to practice with. The first one being the girl cried. Okay, so in this sentence, girl is the noun. So the first thing you do is figure out the noun, the who or the what. Okay, and in this example is the girl. Then you're going to describe that girl or describe that noun, the who or the what. So instead of just the girl, we're going to add some descriptive words, okay, to explain the girl. The tiny girl, the upset girl, the crazy girl, the adorable girl, okay? Expand on that. Then we're going to tell what she did, the verb, okay? She cried. How did she cry? Okay, did she cry hysterically, uncontrollably, obnoxiously? Okay, and this is where you can try to find some words using a thesaurus. Okay, that's a good idea. And then the last piece of information to expand your sentence is to figure out where or when this happened. Okay, where did she cry hysterically? On the playground when she fell off the swing. Okay, so instead of the girl cried, our sentence will be the upset girl cried hysterically on the playground when she fell off the swing. Okay, see how that works? All right, let's do another example. The dog ran away. So the first thing we do is identify the noun, the who or the what. Okay, oops, sorry, let's go back. The dog ran away. So first the dog is going to be right here. Then we're going to say, what kind of dog is it? Okay, it could be a German Shepherd or a crazy dog or a super active dog. Okay, then you're going to put ran in the verb, and then where you're going to describe how they ran. They ran fast. They ran with energy. Okay, and then where or when did this happen? Down the street or around the block. Okay, so it can be the energetic dog ran enthusiastically down the street. See how that expands? Okay. Another example, my brother ate the cake. So my brother is the noun. What kind of brother is he? He might be the annoying brother. Okay. He ate. How did he eat it? He secretively ate. And when did this happen? Before the birthday party started. So my annoying brother secretively ate the cake before the birthday party started. Okay, so you are going to choose a couple sentences in your scary story and expand them exactly how I'm doing this. Okay, you are going to use the Google Doc attached to your assignment, expand those sentences, put those new sentences back in your scary story, and then turn that assignment in. Okay, have fun with it. Bye.